Go ahead.
All right. Dan, I'm over here. Look at that.
That thing looks mean.
Looks mean. All right.
Looks mean.
Up and away. Here we go. Taking off. Full throttle. It just gently just lifts up on its own. Look at that.
Nice.
Super scale. Gear up. Flaps up. It's super sensitive on the elevator.
Yeah.
And the turns. There you go. 30 seconds on the clock. This thing's nice and smooth in the turns. No negative tendencies at all, really. Gonna come in nice and low. It wants to pitch up. There we go. All right, we're gonna bring it in for a landing. Getting those gear.